Have you ever felt like you're running on a treadmill that never stops? You trade your hours for dollars, but the clock always wins. Most of us are taught that hard work is the only way to succeed. But what happens when you run out of time or energy? This is the reality of trading time for money. It's a scale where your effort is weighed against a few coins, limiting your true potential. But there is another way, a way to disconnect your income from your presence. It's called passive income, and it changes everything. Think of it like planting a tree. In the beginning, it requires care and effort, but eventually, it grows and provides shade on its own. Imagine earning while you sleep. While you're resting, your assets are working for you, generating revenue through automated systems and smart investments. Whether it's digital products, dividend stocks, or real estate, these streams build a foundation that supports your lifestyle without constant active labor. Passive income isn't about being lazy. It's about being efficient. It's about building systems that scale beyond the 24 hours in a day. The real impact is freedom. Freedom to spend quality time with the people you love, doing the things that actually matter to you. When you aren't tied to a desk, the world opens up. You can travel, explore, and live life on your own terms, not your boss's. This is the magic of compound interest. As your assets grow, they produce more assets, creating a snowball effect of wealth and security. It's about creating a legacy, a financial foundation that stands strong, providing peace of mind for you and your future generations. The person who was once exhausted by the grind is now empowered. They are no longer a servant to the clock, but a master of time. Financial independence isn't a dream. It's a strategy. It starts with a single decision to change how you view your work and your money. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. The best time to plant the seed was years ago. The second best time is today. Take the first step toward your freedom. Start your journey today and build the life you've always imagined. You have the power.